Hello mga guys. So this is pakimkim portion of the wedding guys. So it's a good way for the couple to have ano start start up. So start up, tama ba 'yun? Yung meron silang panimula bilang mag-asawa financially. So it's a kind of modern way kasi parang meron siyang sash lang na ginawa, yung mga wedding coordinator, ginawang sash. Tapos doon ka lang sa sash magsabit-sabit. So, not necessarily na sa dress or clothes ng couple magsabit. Doon ka na magsabit sa sash. So, madali lang siyang kunin. Tapos, hindi siya masyadong matrabaho na after the wedding. Unlike before, di ba dati sa damit ng mga magsabit-sabit. But now this is such a good idea from the wedding coordinators. So ayan, pakimkim portion. So swerte na mga asawang ito. They have a lot of pakimkim. Congratulations anyway to the couple. And we are very happy to attend one of their special event. Ayan, natapon yung isa, ma'am. So guys, thank you so much for those who are watching me right now. Comment naman dyan kung saan nakarating to. Saan kayo nanonood right now? Para malaman ko kung saan kayo, hanggang saan umabot ang video ito. That's it guys. Don't forget to follow. Bye. God bless everyone. Ingat at be happy always. That's it. God bless. God bless. God bless. Bye bye. See you around.